Hello, this is Mr. Allison with How to Use Canvas. And today I'm going to show you how to create a digital notebook. I'm going to teach you how to save documents, and I'm going to teach you how to upload assignments to Canvas. So the first thing that we're going to do today is create a digital notebook. So you're going to go to your desktop. You're going to go ahead and right-click, go to New, go to Folder, and then you're going to go ahead and name that folder. So since I'm teaching New Mexico history, I'm going to go ahead and call it New Mexico History Digital Notebook. So this folder is where you're going to go ahead and save all your documents. So all your assignments that you do using Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, again, you're going to save them in this digital notebook. So the next thing that I want to do is to show you how to save documents. So we're going to go ahead and go to Microsoft Word. And every time you open the page, you should put the proper format, which is Times New Roman, 12-inch font. And then this is where you go to do all the spacing. You make sure everything's 0 here. And if your teacher says it needs to be double space, you come to this right here, line spacing. You could change it from single to double. And then you can even set it as your default so that it's always like that when you open a Word document. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and name it the title of the assignment, which is Primary Source Analysis Pancho Villa. So now to save the document, you're going to go to File. You're going to come to Save As. And so now we need to search for your digital notebook. So we're going to go to Browse, go to Desktop, and find your digital notebook. You're going to go ahead and double click on that. And so this is where you're going to save this assignment. So again, to name this assignment, all your teachers are going to require you to name your assignments in this format. So it's going to be your first initial, your last name, underscore, the title of the assignment. So again, the title of the assignment is Primary Source Analysis Pancho Villa. And then you're going to do underscore again. And then you're going to put the date of the assignment. So again, today is July 28th. So again, it's going to be the first initial, last name, underscore, the title of the assignment, so Primary Source Analysis Pancho Villa, and then the date, underscore, the date, July 28th. And then you're going to click Save. So if you come back to your digital notebook and you double click on it, you're going to see that your assignment has been saved in your notebook. And the big reason for this is so that you know exactly where your assignments are, you don't lose them. So whenever it's time to upload those assignments to Canvas, it's easy to find. So now we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how to upload those assignments to Canvas. So we're going to go to Canvas. This is the home screen. So again, to find all your assignments, you're going to go to modules. Again, all your teachers are going to have all your assignments in modules. Again, how they set this up might be a little different. But again, this is the assignment, Primary Source Analysis Pancho Villa. And now at the top of every assignment, there's going to be Submit Assignment here. And so you're going to click on that, and you're going to come to the bottom. You're going to choose File, and then you're going to look for your notebook, your digital notebook that we just created. Here it is, New Mexico History Digital Notebook. And then there's the assignment that we just saved. You're going to go ahead and double click on that. It's there, and then you're going to click Submit Assignment. So there you go, and that is it. Again, that is how you create a digital notebook, how you save documents properly, and how you upload assignments to Canvas.